Ever wondered how close someone is to your door right now? Let's make your home smarter today. Welcome to day 19 of our 100 Days of IoT with ThingsDock. Today, we're building a smart door alert system using an ultrasonic sensor and ESP8266. Start by heading over to thingsdock.in and log into your account. Once inside, create a new project. Name it something like Day 19. Click Add Widget and choose the text widget and name it Fridge or Door. Now copy your project ID and auth token from the top of the dashboard. Open your Arduino IDE and paste in the Day 19 code from the Bio section. Replace the placeholders with your actual project ID and auth token. Connect your ESP8266, upload the code, and boom. Your device is now measuring distance live. If someone gets too close, the system instantly sends a "Door Open" message to your dashboard. Perfect for smart homes, baby room alerts, or even your dorm room security.